Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to delete or uninstall every demo that's registered to your Steam account from scratch. So I'll be showing you two methods, being an easy one and a tedious one, but either way should get the job done just fine. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in this video, I'll be showing you the tedious method first, and that's by manually uninstalling every single demo that's tied to your Steam account. So you can do so by opening Steam, and as you can see, here's what the launcher looks like. And you'd want to click on Library and go to Home. And from here, you guys actually have a way to organize your demos right here. Now, I don't have anything installed, so it doesn't actually sort out the demos. But normally, there'd be a subcategory for demos here. So you'd want to select that and untick the others to make sure that it's only displaying the demos. So by then, you guys would want to right-click on each of the demos and uninstall, and it's honestly that simple. Let's say that you guys don't want to do that. Let's say that it's too tedious or you have way too many demos to uninstall manually. Well, the other way is to basically send a help request to Steam and appeal for them to remove all of the demos from your account themselves. Now, this requires a little bit of coding knowledge. That's why we're letting them do the heavy work for it. And to do so, you guys would want to open Steam support. You can either do that on the website or the client like I have here. So you'd want to click on help like so. And from here, you'd want to click on Steam support. Now, it should redirect you to this page right here. And the idea is you can choose any of these topics here. Basically, it doesn't really matter because they're still going to read your request and do they'll know what it means, and they'll do the best they can to actually fulfill your request. So let's say that I want to remove all of my demos for my game. So if I were to, let's say, I should just do the one for trading. So let's say that I'm going to choose items. I have a problem with the items in game. So you can choose. Let's just do something random. And here's where you actually you'd want to click on contact Steam support. And then here you get to basically say your piece and say I would like to have all of the demos on my account removed, please. And what's going to happen is they're going to do whatever they can on their end to remove all of the demos. So the next time you guys log into your account, all of the demos are uninstalled. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. That's the easy way. Now all you have to do is wait. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.